Working with Screencast-o-Matic is really easy. Once you're logged into your account, you can press Start Recording, and you will see a screen appear as an overlay onto your desktop. It will have certain features to it, like a record button, as well as an option for you to determine how big of a screen you want recorded. You can also set your webcam to record, which will place a box in the bottom right corner of the screen showing whatever displays on your webcam. And of course, you can set your microphone volume. When you're ready to record, press Start Recording. And after your 3-second countdown, whatever you do and say, as well as whatever you click on, will be recorded within the parameters of the screen size that you have set. So if I'd like to show my students a little bit about this website, I can tour them through it by clicking on various items and talk as I go. This way, they hear everything that I want to share with them. If I want them to take this web quest, I can help them by going over directions and taking them on a practice web quest first. Really, there is no limit other than time and my ability to explain whatever process it is that I happen to be using. Down at the bottom, we can see several other options. We can see time elapsed for the video as well as how much time remains. We can also draw on top of the screen if we wanted to make an arrow or something else like that. And of course, we can erase it. One of the nice things as well is the ability to pause a recording. If someone happens to walk in my classroom while I'm recording, I can pause, and then I can continue recording at any time, which is very helpful. When I'm finished with my recording, I will press Done. I will give my recording a name. And then I can decide what it is I want to do with it. Here are some of your options. You can publish to Screencast-o-Matic, or if you have a YouTube account set up, you can create a description and then automatically upload to YouTube, which will encode the video and give you a YouTube link. You can also upload directly to Vimeo, Google Drive, Dropbox, as well as several other options. Recording features and editing features are great. In terms of editing, you can edit the audio, create transitions, cut out if you have recorded something that you do not want to be a part of your video. You can decide to hide the webcam. Some things that I think are very helpful are overlays. So if we want to add an overlay, what that means is I can write some text and I can choose my colors, but I can determine where that goes. So if I really want to highlight a certain part of this website, make sure that my students click, I can go ahead and add a text box there. If there is information that I do not want people to see, maybe it's something that's sensitive in nature, I can make a blurred text box out of that, and that way that sensitive information is not visible. This is really helpful if I'm logged into a student account for purposes of demonstration and I do not want that student's name or other information to be displayed. When I'm done, I simply go back, and in this case, I will upload my video to a YouTube file. I can tag it if I want in education, which it already is, upload to YouTube, and the encoding process will take several seconds to several minutes depending on the length of the video. Once everything is encoded, I will be left with a YouTube link, and within 5 minutes after receiving that link, the video will be viewable. One thing to keep in mind if you are using YouTube as the final destination for your videos is to determine the privacy level. Unlisted is a great option because it provides a link for anyone, but the videos are not searchable. So in just a moment here, we'll see what this looks like, and there we go. Thank you for watching, and I hope you consider using Screencast-o-Matic.